Okay, welcome to my channel The Auto Tool. Make friends that just joined. Just joined my first time watching my video. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. And don't forget to check out the video all the way
Because
through. This video is going to be about how to get advantages of an affiliator. Which program is perfect for prepare income in 2026. And of course, this program or this video will teach about the process for a beginner. Which one? A beginner once, even if you have never done. What is online sales? Or have never made content, or haven't been plunge in the world of affiliators. Can practice it directly. I will tell you first about it. Which process? Affiliators in that world was successful in time. It was at its peak in 2013-2014. But in that year, still very difficult once to register as an affiliator because of some of the sites I came across in that year. So many sites that provide conditions for the affiliator to have a website traffic. Which is the traffic? Be a condition so that the prospective affiliator is accepted. If in the world, job, we know that in the world, the job there is a condition of registration. Well, maybe the system is the same. SO 2001-3200 for that there is such a thing as the program. Affiliator of the site. Share sale. Ever. Open the website. The website provide an affiliate program where there is a version. Seller or producer. Yes, manufacturer. Then there's also a level. Affiliator as. Affiliate sales are good. However, because at the time the conditions were pretty complicated, we need traffic. Traffic on our website then. Almost rarely people understand how it works. Okay, next. In 2025 it's getting soft, yeah. How to become an affiliate has become something common, which we can know that in 2025 at the end of 2025, there are several affiliate program provider sites. Which one? Extremely popular and favored by some of us. Especially in this American country. The first, the Amazon affiliate program. You can sell products from Amazon. In a way. Affiliate so friend share link. Later if someone buys from the link that friends share, friends of friends will get a commission. Next, the second one is there. Commission Dustin affiliate. Well, this too. Very popular besides. Affiliate from Amazon. Then the third one is there. Share a sale. Well, for now, share a sale still popular, yeah. From 2013-2014 to 2025 Sell share is still an option. Some consistent affiliators. Then there's a site away. Well, here, friends can also sell products. Next there's Rankutaneous site, advertising. In addition to that, there's also the latest. This is a TikTok affiliator site. This affiliate TikTok, besides friends can find entertainment, friends can also sell inside this site without having to stock products, without having to preparing products independently. Friends can do as an affiliator or run as an affiliator in the TikTok affiliate site. Well, basically, an affiliate program that they want it or not. The most important thing is that there is a sale. how we use. It's up to us what kind of techniques that we use. They don't want to know until we. There's no need considering ABC of, well, what we do is the truth. Then just do it. The most important of them is, there was a sales report like that. Okay. We're probably gonna do a case study. The easiest is to use. We're going to discuss how to become an affiliate on TikTok affiliate site. For TikTok itself, how do we get QN of the affiliate? In a way, the first friends can make a short video or a short video. Which one? The video. Later we can link with the product that. Will we be an affiliate? So later we can, looking for products. Then research first, yes. Research, then we offer to our video. Like that. Then the second, there's a live streaming. So we can live stream by linking. The fault is almost the same between the two, but with different treatment. For short video, the important thing is we make duration a video 30 to 1 minutes. Then we love yellow basket. If it's for live streaming, we have to provide our skills. Yes, we have to. Good performance must be good looking then. Our physique must also be good. Because we're going to be live streaming 2 hours to 3 hours, right? Usually average live streaming player on TikTok that only live streaming in between 1-2. Okay. For the registration process to TikTok affiliate, I think there are many channels out there. How to sign up TikTok affiliate. Here I'm not gonna address. I'm gonna go straight into how to make a short video by utilizing What again? We're going to utilize to create short video. Well, the first is friends. Need to prepare anything so that this in this latest technology, which is 2025, has been a lot of who raised to bring up the performance. So there's the earliest, yes. Then there is then there Jimin then. And so forth. Here we're gonna collaborate everything, yeah. Until friends later can practice only with a mobile phone. No need to buy the product. There's no need. Expend energy for video production by recording and so forth. But we will utilize how to. It works like that. And later, hopefully, the result can be an QN or advantages that we can enjoy in the future. Like that. Good friends, please. Can prepare. Maybe they're preparing what it's called. The first is a mobile phone. Then we to create studio digital. That digital studio. A studio that is virtual. Yeah, we don't have the physical studio, but we can make it into an content. For the video, for virtual studios, we need to prepare the background. For the background itself, we used to search on Pinterest site. Friends, please open on the Pinterest site. Or opening through the app. Yes, friends can open through the application. Well, open through the app. Friends type in search. With keywords, aesthetic table. Because in affiliate, it is important that the table is aesthetic. Will later attract people. People will be curious when scroll. Viewing content on an aesthetic table. They will. Watching for a moment. If it's good, will continue. And until he will click the yellow basket, like that. Well, next. After what's the name? Setting up a background. We research first. Later on in. What's the name? TikTok creator. Friends can. Looking for products to sell? After meeting, oh, I matched this one product. Friends, please later can. What's the name? Could do. Product search. Looking for pictures. That product could be from his store. Because usually, you can download from the store. Or friends can. Searching on Google by typing in the same keyword. Because of the products sold in the marketplace. Or on TikTok. That's the product is common. So outside of that, there are like products. So friends, don't be afraid to run out of ideas. After finding a product to sell. Friends, please. Notice on Google search. Products such as friends. Want a product. What is a hand buddy product? Please friends. Or perfume products. Friends typing perfume products. After friends typing perfume products. Please friends download. Find the picture part. Perfume images in download. After that, after collected that there is an aesthetic table background, then there is perfume pictures. Friends, please go to a site. This site is a free site. This is called a genius site. Friends come in. Then friends combine. The product. This friends can use Site Jam 9. Can use chat site. Taste ya so friend. Could use chat this. Can use Semini. If I use Semini. Well here, I put it in. The first picture is the background. Then after that, I put it in. The second picture, which is perfume. After that I told. The Semini combines between the first picture and the second picture. Keep adding a hand. So I want to. So that this perfume is held by the hand. After this perfume was held by a hand, then generates right. With prompts like this, for example, please combine the second picture above the first picture. Well, there is a hand holding the perfume product. After that, in generate right. After in generate, we wait a while, and it's already a picture, like that. So the drawing is done. Then after that, basically, once we get a picture, then we will change the picture into a video. Well, for features, image to video, we use site called It's okay. Please friends can click. Then friends upload the video of Silak. Then after that, automatically he will change the picture moves as if the picture people hold perfume with its background. It can looks natural like a realistic. Next, if friends need a voiceover because friends might the voice is not good enough or less confident when recorded. In the audio, friends can utilize also the one whose name 11 Life. 11 Life is a free version with 10,000 tokens. Well, after that, when friends need a big sound, if your friends need a back sound, friends can take advantage of Suno AI. Although in 11 Labs friends can also take advantage of Suno AI. It's all free. Friends, please take advantage. Something like that. So later, if you have any questions, can be written in the comment area. We'll talk about it in the next video. Don't hesitate. What is the name? Friends have problems like what? Just ask later. Let's finish it together. Okay, next one after that is done. Later, friends do upload video is TikTok. For the video editor, friends can use Kikit. Kikit in the mobile version, yes. There is also a CapCut desktop or laptop or PC version. If friends already used to using other editor tools such as Camtasia, filming, Adobe Premiere, and so forth, please be utilized. If you are still a beginner, no tool recommendations yet, please be able to utilize application CapCut. Good like that. And make friends who It's done editing. Then uploaded to TikTok. After being uploaded to TikTok, don't forget to link the yellow basket so that what those friends make. That if there's traffic later, her man the order so. What friends share can become long-term mold or entry long-term for income in 2026. Okay, soon is 2026. Please, friends, survive as much. Explore our potential. Take advantage of what is especially affiliate marketing in Malaysia. Affiliate marketing is one unlimited sales system, yeah. Friends can have selling rights without having to stock goods, without having to be complicated. Licensing a B, C, D, because all licensing is already shaded by the community that provides the affiliate system. Well, guess like that for friends who don't want to miss my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe so that friends can be more creative in the future. Could see the potential of the latest of what I share on my channel this. Don't forget to subscribe. Please press the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video if your friends like. Okay, bye, see you.